Guys, balikan lang po natin ang isang interview ni Sharon Cuneta at isa na dito itinanong sa kanya ang relasyon niya doon sa panganay niyang anak na si Casey Concepcion. I-summarize na natin lahat ang mga sinasabi ni Sharon Cuneta patungkol doon sa relasyon niya sa kanyang panganay na anak. Bilang isang ina, nasaktan si Sharon sa tunado ng kanyang mga sinasabi. Talagang nasasaktan si Sharon bilang isang ina, lalong-lalo na sa mga unfollow. Pero isa lang ang sinabi ni Sharon, kung ano man yung namamagitan nila ni Casey Concepcion, ano man yung nangyayari sa kanila ni Casey Concepcion, hindi pa rin nawawala yung love sa kanila. Kaya guys, panoorin natin ang sinabi ni Sharon.
But Tito, we were texting and then natin mo. Kasi naman, I was gonna ask, before October, I haven't seen her for like 8-9 months. So, siguro since she grew up, she became very independent. And you can't blame her, but don't blame me either. Basta I did my best as a mom. I feel other kids who think the world of me. And if she has another opinion, then it's really nothing I can. There's really nothing I can do about it. Oh, our last texting was wag naman.
Well, kasi po, tatanong ko rin po sana your thoughts on her pursuing her Hollywood dream. Kasi di ba nagkaroon po siya ng...
Well, whatever Casey does na for her betterment, I will always be proud.
And ikaw po yung nag-recommend no producer?
Actually, no. When it was offered to her, she wasn't feeling like doing it. And I said, do it, anak, so you have exposure there. And I will tell you, Kiko has been a good father to Casey since we dated. She was 9. Since we married when she was 11. And she worshipped the ground he walked on, remember? He would post before. I don't know what her beef with me was, but she would post about him before. That's why, siguro may iwasan, there are hurt feelings now. So, to end that, I'll just say, even if Casey and I never have relationship again, I know that we'll always love each other. But and she's turning 39, so alam na niya yung right from wrong.